We have three scenes of injury that we will perform, and here is how we treated the injury. But
Before we start, first, let me introduce to you our actors first. Anthony, Owen, and Sophia. They will act as injured people.
Jason, Jaisel, and Anthony will get their injuries treated.
wherein Sophia is busy doing her performance task in arts while she is using a sharp cutter, Anthony unintentionally bumped into her, so Sophia accidentally cut the upper part of her hand.
I'm sorry, I really don't do it on purpose.
Okay.
Let me help you clean your wound.
While Anthony and Owen are playing, Owen accidentally slipped and fractured his leg.
Are you okay? No, I think something broke. Wait, I'll call someone. While waiting, I'll go find some splint.
We use the RICE method wherein rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Are you curious what is the meaning of the RICE method? Then you should watch until the end. Jaisal is running on the hallway. She suddenly fell on the ground, so she got her arm dislocated. So when Jason saw Jaisal suffering, she decided to help her.
Kami kabila din eh. Wala isa na.
Why did we use splint? Because splint provide pain relief of the fractured limb, and also it support bone ends of the fracture site. Use the RICE method to help heal while waiting for the ambulance. Rest. Keep the injured area still until the ambulance arrives. Ice. Apply a cold pack or frozen food. Since we don't have ice, we use a cold bottle instead. Compression. Wrap a bandage firmly around the injury. Elevation. Keep it raised above your heart. We use a chair. So actually, what is injury? Injury is a general term that refers to a harm caused by accidents, falls, hits, weapons, and more. What is first aid? First aid is an immediate and temporary care given to a person who has been injured or suddenly taken ill. There are two types: self-help and home care.